एरर हुआ है जो अपने को पता चल रहा है 2-3 साल बाद, एंड नाउ देयर इज नो वे यू कैन रिवर्स इट, एंड वो 2-3 साल लग गए सिर्फ समझने में कि वो एरर कहाँ है. So imagine the effort, the skill and everything required at that time. Let me tell you, if I'm saying कि digitalization is helping, it doesn't mean कि accountant का काम कम हो गया या CA का काम हो गया. No, it is basically empowering you. It is empowering you to concentrate on other things. Like I said, I'm also practicing CA. With digitalization, it has helped me in giving better consulting services to my clients. अब कोई client है जो मेरे को tally data बेचता है, बोलता है मैडम मेरे को लोन चाहिए, मिलेगा क्या? It is very easy for me. I just have to remove the data of the last 3 years and do it. Like ratios and reports and कितना कुछ निकलता है आजकल tally से. And this same thing, imagine when my father-in-law was a chartered accountant. My father-in-law is a chartered accounnt, but उनके time पे he used to say कि नहीं मेरे को थोड़ा time दो, मेरे को paper work निकालना पड़ेगा, check करना पड़ेगा. So this is one field where it has definitely helped me. Other than that, in preparing GST returns and income tax returns, client हमें tally भेजता है, बोलता है मैडम ये tally से आप report निकाल दो और लगा दो return. This is so easy. Now other than that, I even have clients who don't have tally or any other basic thing. उसके लिए उनको accountant को भेजना पड़ता है, वो Excel में sheet बनाएगा. Imagine the cost that person is incurring in maintaining one person. जबकि आप tally जैसा software खरीद लो, it is very easy. Even you can do it. Like you in the sense anybody who's not in commerce field, it's easy for them also to operate it. And other than that, in my own business, like we have 2-3 different kinds of businesses, and imagine the data we have. Like we export, we import, we have vast amount of data. Tally के बिना वो नहीं होता possible. I would have had to have one person each dedicated to each department कि एक तुम बैंक संभालो, एक तुम purchases संभालो, एक sales संभालो. Which isn't, we can't afford that liberty. इतना हम salary को इतने सारों को क्यों pay करो, उससे अच्छा एक tally खरीद लो. So yes, that is one benefit digitalization has given us. Other than that, sir told me that you have a course or a subject of entrepreneurship. You think an entrepreneur who's just starting a business can afford a chartered accountant or even an accountant in that matter? It is very difficult, it is very expensive. At least when you are starting your own business, you have this cutthroat competition to save money, to make profit, to survive. In fact, survival is such a big thing at that time. 1-2 महीने आप चला लोगे without an accounting software, थोड़ा कर लिया. That also I'm assuming you are a commerce student. So अब अगर science है तो और भी दिक्कत है तुमको survive करने में, तो तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा एक accountant या कुछ. But then after that, like after 2 months, you will have to take a software. So yes, even for entrepreneurs, having accounting knowledge is also very important, irrespective of whether you are an employee or an employer, or you choose any field, you are a business person or a professional. Having a basic accounting knowledge helps you go a far way in decision making. Also, I would really like to thank Sir Dr. Vora for conducting this beautiful and like for his far-sighted vision towards the best of the career of his students. I only wish I had something like this in my college. I belong to Bombay, and I have done my college from Nursey Monji College of Commerce and Economics, but we never had this exposure of tally and everything. I learned tally after coming to Bikaner.